today I'm going to introduce to you the Cosmos stainless steel Spork. So this Spork came in a pack of 3, so there were 2 other identical Sporks that came with it. And basically a Spork, just like it sounds, is a combination of a fork and a spoon. And there's a lot of different variations that are created, but this is the standard one. So what I really like about Sporks, especially this one, is that it is meant to be environmentally friendly. When you're out, instead of using a disposable fork or knife out for lunch, you can use a Spork and reuse it over and over again. And if you ask me, carrying a fork and a knife all the time is, well, it's bulky and it's not very convenient. So the Spork kind of makes it convenient for you. What I really like to do is use it to eat noodles, because I can spear the noodles with the fork, but at the same time I can eat the broth and enjoy it with the spoon. It also works with a lot of saucy dishes where you kind of have to soak things up, or use a spoon is best, and then you can also spear things. A lot of Indian dishes have this kind of consistency. I like to use it on picnics and camping. It's just really a nice thing to carry with you. It's lightweight, it's portable, and it's just about convenience because it has a dual functionality. It's also very durable. It's made of stainless steel. As you probably can see, it has a metallic color. It's very shiny. My friend is the one who told me about Sporks in the first place. She's a very go green advocate. She always encourages me to use a Spork, and I really like how she carries hers with her. So I immediately looked up Sporks, and I found this one, and it has been my best friend ever since. I bought this on Amazon, and now I use it all the time. I got it about 4 months ago in March. It is July now. It fits into my luggage when I travel, but I would warn you not to carry it in your carry-on luggage on a plane, because a lot of the time with security nowadays, it can be seen as a weapon to have anything pointy. But definitely save it for your trips or your travel. Say you're going to another country and you want to bring food on a trip with you, but you don't want to have to bring all those forks and spoons and knives. You can just carry a Spork. Save yourself some trouble. In length, it is about 7.5 inches long, and in weight, it weighs about 1.75 ounces. Pretty lightweight. And it doesn't weigh down your purse when you put it in your purse or your backpack. It's pretty simple, straightforward. What I like also is how it's designed. The spoon, the way it's just shaped, is just kind of classier and nice rather than the average spoon and the average fork. Just kind of this hourglass shape. And I used to use regular forks and knives like everyone else, but this really changed my ways. It also stops you from wasting things, and it really helps when it comes to just being conscious of how much you're eating. And honestly, it's a fun design to have. It does not bend. A lot of the time when you get a nice utensil like this to eat with, the metal it's not strong enough, and sometimes it bends, especially in the heat or with hot food. But this is very sturdy, very strong material. And as you can see, I can push on it, but it just stays the same. And I really like that, because that means it's going to last a lot longer. So the company who created this was Cosmos. Cosmos specializes in household items. They have a variety of them, and they're mainly online. This could really be a great gift for someone who is very environmentally conscious and, who cares about all that. Also someone who travels a lot or does hiking and likes outdoor activities. And it could also be great for someone who has an injury with their hands and they can't hold a knife and a fork. And that's actually something that happened to me as well. I injured my wrist, and this was a lifesaver. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.